Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In this video, we are going to discuss what to do when your instance, that is your ServiceNow instance, is slow. So when we say instance is slow, it means we have to figure out two things. Okay, so let's start the very first one. Why it is slow? There can be a number of reasons. The very first one is cache. The cache can be of instance or your browser. So you have to clear your cache memory and then you have to restart the instance. How to do that? We will see in next slide. Your instance is slow maybe because of the long transactions which are running on background and it is consuming a lot of resources. The next reason can be a faulty script. Welcome to the developer world. Many times you write some script, you do some R&D and it turned out to be a blunder. I know this because I have done it many times, but that is in sub production. But there are few lucky people who did it in production as well. But yes, you must identify that script which is running indefinitely or running slow. The next reason can be your internet connectivity or your ServiceNow instance is down. Okay, so we know why it is slow. Now let's go to the resolution part. The very first one is fix your internet connection if it is slow. It is as simple as that. The second one is flush cache, that is cache of your instance. So how to do that? Let's go to the instance. This is my demo instance. So here you have to write cache.do, enter. Once you do that, the instance cache will be cleared and you will see the message. You see here before garbage collection and after cache flush. So now it is flushed. So this is how you do the cache flush of your instance. The second thing is browser cache. So this can also be one of the reason of slowness. So how to resolve it? You just have to close all the browser, means all the windows of the browser. So here you see my ServiceNow instance is in this Chrome, right? Chrome browser. So I have to close all the windows of Chrome browser. So like this. Don't leave any of the window open, okay? Now we have to go inside the system and see what all things we can check to know what is actually happening. Under system diagnostic slow transaction, you can see all the slow transactions, okay? So let's go there. You see here, open these slow transactions. So this is the table where you can see all the slow transactions. How much time it is taking to execute. What is the URL of that particular transaction? From which processor, like is it a job or is it some list, whatever. You can see all the details here and you can take actions accordingly. Okay. So the next one is user administration all active transactions. Let's go there. Transactions. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all the transactions which are running. Okay, so in case if there is any transaction which is taking more time, so you can see how much time that particular transaction is taking. So based on that, you can understand, okay, this is the transaction which is eating up all the resources. So what is the main thing here? You can kill that transaction by, so once you are confirmed, being an administrator, you can kill that transaction from here. Just select it, go here and you see kill. As soon as you click on kill, it will take a few seconds and close that particular transaction. Whether it's a script or anything, it will just kill it. It will just stop the processing. But even after you have killed the transaction, you still are getting some problem, then you can go to active transactions of the nodes. So by doing this, you are going more in deep. So let's go here. Under system diagnostics, active transactions, click on it. You see here, it is loading. So based on the nodes. So it is same as the active transactions of the user, but when your system is having more than one node. So in that case, if you are not able to kill the process, yes, there may be certain scenarios where you are not able to kill the process. It will not take the command or whatever. So in that case, you can check on which node the process is running and you can contact high support and ask them to refresh this node. Okay. So once they reboot the node, the process will be killed 100%. But you have to be very careful here, because in order to do so, if it is a production instance, all the processes which were running on that node will also get killed. So you have to ask your manager, you have to take prior approvals. Okay. Just don't blame me. Okay. Okay. Then the last option is optimize slow queries and slow script. So ServiceNow deliberately identifying some slow queries or slow scripts. You can optimize such scripts. Okay. So just go here, write down slow. You see here slow queries, slow scripts. So you see here slow queries. So this is the query from where it is coming. This is the URL. Okay. This is like which type of query it is. This is the average execution time. You can short it and see which is the most time taking query. You see here, this one is the most time taking query. So you can identify this query and try to resolve it, or you can also go to the scripts, that is the slow scripts. You can see these all are the slow script. It is mentioned here by name. You can just click on it and it will open. Okay, so you just have to go there and try to optimize it. This is not the immediate solution. It will take some time, but yep, if you want to see what is the root cause, you have to go through all these things. I think you are getting what I want to show you. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.